This is what happens when raw power meets pure aggression. When luxury is fused with performance, and when an SUV decides it wants to embarrass supercars. What you're looking at is a machine that doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. This is the 2025 BRABUS 900 Mercedes-AMG GLE 6.3 S Coupé, and today we're unleashing all 900 horses to see just how insane this beast really is. Under the hood, BRABUS has taken the already brutal 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 from Mercedes and turned it into a monster. The engine has been upgraded to 4.5 liters, producing a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower and a staggering 1,250 Nm of torque. The result? A launch so brutal that it rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds. That's hypercar speed in a high-riding luxury SUV. And the madness doesn't stop there. The top speed, an unrestricted 330 kilometers per hour, making this one of the fastest SUVs in the world. BRABUS didn't just tweak the engine, they refined every component, from the turbochargers to the high-performance exhaust system that produces a deep, earth-shaking growl every time you touch the throttle. From the outside, this isn't just another GLE 6.3S. BRABUS has completely transformed it with an aggressive aerodynamic body kit, featuring a massive carbon fiber front splitter, widened fenders, and a sculpted hood with functional vents. The iconic Panamericana grille now wears the BRABUS emblem, making it clear that this is no ordinary AMG. Sitting on massive 24-inch monoblock forged wheels, wrapped in ultra-high performance tires, the stance is wider, lower, and more menacing than ever. At the back, the quad exhaust system not only looks aggressive but sounds like thunder, especially in sport mode. Step inside, and the luxury takes over. Hand-stitched leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber wrap every inch of the cabin, creating an interior that feels as exclusive as it looks. The seats are not just comfortable, they're sculpted for high-speed stability, with BRABUS embossing to remind you that this isn't just any Mercedes. The MUX infotainment system is still here, but with custom BRABUS graphics and performance telemetry, giving you real-time data on power output, boost pressure, and more. The ambient lighting, panoramic roof, and carbon fiber steering wheel bring the perfect balance between sportness and high-end refinement. But raw power needs control, and BRABUS made sure this beast handles as good as it looks. The adaptive air suspension has been retuned to sit lower, improving aerodynamics and keeping the SUV planted at high speeds. Turn the wheel, and the response is sharp, the grip is unshakable, and the ceramic brakes provide the stopping power needed to tame this monster. It's an SUV that drives like a performance coupe, but with the confidence of an off-road machine. Owning the BRABUS 900 isn't just about having the fastest SUV on the block, it's about making a statement. With a price tag starting around $400,000, this is for those who refuse to blend in. It's exclusive, powerful, and undeniably aggressive. The question is, would you drive one? Let me know in the comments. And if you love machines like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insane reviews. This was just the beginning.